Welcome to Storytime with Sai. This book is Peppa Pig and the Silly Sniffles. In this book, Peppa Pig and Susie Sheep are playing store. Pedro Pony comes in and achoo! He has a bad case of the sniffles. Let's find out what happens in this book. Peppa Pig and Susie Sheep are playing store. Susie Sheep stocks the shelves. Peppa takes the money. "This is a fun job," says Peppa. Danny Dog's their first customer. "Hello, could I have some cookies, please?" "We don't have any cookies," says Susie. "But we have a toy telephone,"